breaking news we're tracking at this hour coming in from Maharashtra. Well, the AIMIM has defended the Green Mumra remark. Well, AIMIM has gone on to say that we'll paint Maharashtra green and said that, in fact, even questioned that if green is a terrorist word. Meanwhile, a BJP leader has hit back at AIMIM saying that when time is right, 15 seconds will be enough for us. Listen into the reactions coming in on this.
कि सिर्फ मुमरा की क्या बात कर रहे हैं तुम? आने वाले वक्त के अंदर हम महाराष्ट्र के अंदर हम अच्छा खासा हरे रंग को फैलाएंगे। 26 जनवरी आने वाला है और शहर ने अपनी यंग टीम के साथ ये फैसला किया था कि हम मुमरा के अंदर हरियाली ही हरियाली लगाएंगे करके, मुंबई को हरा भरा कर देंगे करके। और ये तो सिर्फ मुमरा को हरा भरा करने की बात कर रहे हैं, हम तो देश को हरा भरा करने की बात कर रहे हैं करके। आपको हरा ऐसा लग गया की ये तो कोई आतंकी शब्द है।
मला वाटते इम्तियाज जलील आपली औकात आणि आपली परिस्थिती विसरले आहे। त्यांनी जे म्हटलं की सिर्फ मुमरा नहीं पूरी महाराष्ट्र को हरा करेंगे, छत्रपति की औलादे और छत्रपति के भक्त और उनका खून हमारे अभी भी शरीरों में दौड़ रहा है। तुम नहीं, तुम्हारे 7 पीढ़ियां ऊपर से नीचे आए तो वो भी हरा नहीं कर पाएंगे महाराष्ट्र को। इतना एवढा मानसिकतेचे जे पद्धत आहे, मला वाटते की इम्तियाज जलीलला तमीज हा विसरलेला आहे। आम्ही मायनॉरिटी म्हणून, अल्पसंख्याक म्हणून या देशामध्ये त्यांना आपले घरामध्ये आपल्या देशामध्ये खपून घेत आहे। त्याचा अर्थ हे नाही की सगळ्यांनी बांगड्या घालून बसलेले आहे। ज्या दिवशी आम्हाला दाखवण्याची वेळ आली तर 15 सेकंड आजही काफी आहे।
Well, on this, my colleague Saurav Vakhtani joining us on the broadcast. Saurav, there's been a big political row when it comes to the Mumra Green remark. Remember that the AIMIM corporator Seher Sheikh's remarks had in fact sparked a big political controversy. What is the latest that you're tracking in this row?
Well, let me tell you, the Green Mumra controversy is far from over. Yesterday, it was NDTV who reported first that how Seher has apologized for this entire statement. BJP leader Kirit Somaiya had went to Mumra police station, wherein the Mumra police station senior PI Mr. Shinde, speaking to NDTV, clearly said that Seher was called to Mumra police station not just once but twice, where she said she apologized for this entire statement and she is not going to hurt anyone's sentiments in future. Now what has happened is, yesterday Imtiaz Zalil was in Maharashtra, he was in Mumra and he was meeting the AIMIM corporators who won in Mumra, wherein when he was asked about Seher's making an apology at Mumra police station, Imtiaz Zalil clearly stated that we stand by Seher's statement. Whatever she has said nothing wrong. Green is not a word of terrorist, but green is for greenery. In fact, he also went on to say that there are over 125 seats won by AIM in the state of Maharashtra, and which includes several of the Hindu candidates as well. He clearly stated that BJP party is the one who is making such statement, but BJP has hit hard at AIMIM, saying that such statement won't be accepted, and next time if you say such statement, there will be repercussions.